Started. There we go. Now we're live.
Crazy, Mackenzie's not in our group anymore.
I
Oh,
know.
that's so sad.
I
This
know.
far into it, I can't believe she quit.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
more brains, the better.
I mean, 6 weeks, that's,
Yeah, I wonder, do you get a W for that or a, I don't know.
I don't know, because I've never withdrawn from a class before, so.
Yeah. Well, I
Yeah,
have,
she
but that was
did a
back in the
W
day.
for it. Let's see.
Okay. So how did your studying go, Jennifer?
Oh my gosh, it was okay. I'm still frustrated with this lesson, but better, we shut the door.
It's like it's kind of the same, but it's different.
It is, but it was, I guess, mostly because I felt like the quiz was really hard.
Oh, you already took the quiz?
Well, I took the homework quiz.
Oh,
Oh, smart.
Yeah. So I'm not, I have at least opened this quiz and it is not, it still doesn't look that easy. And there's 19.
There's
Ugh.
19
So,
questions.
yeah.
okay. Well, how about we just get to it unless we need to,
Let's get to it.
yeah.
All right.
All right.
So
Now-
in the last homework quizzes that I was taking, I put it into the Excel sheet that they had,
Okay.
and I still feel like it wasn't, like it didn't come out right. Because like really you just had to like plug in a couple numbers.
On the homework quiz?
Okay. Did you get that on the first couple of questions, like the in the Excel? Did you have a hard time with those ones?
Yeah.
Okay, I totally got all of those wrong.
Yeah, because I feel like I put in like the formula for the standard deviation and the average, and then like the rest of it was kind of calculated from there.
Yeah.
And then I feel like I got it all, well, some of them wrong, and it was just like, I don't know, I didn't quite understand it, but
I was having a hard time with that. And I was going to go back and retake it, and I never got the opportunity because my weekend was so busy. But I felt like it was ridiculous because I didn't think I was doing it wrong, but I got the second set totally right
yeah.
and didn't do anything different.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what it is.
I'm figuring out how to open these files in Excel.
Okay.
So
Have you figured out how to do it?
I can do it now because you just have to go to the data page of the textbook.
Oh my gosh. And then you could just download it from there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I just paid $40 for this stupid software that I went. Dang it.
Hey, at least you get to use it if you want to. Where I paid $40 and didn't even work because it was some like hackers download of some sorts, and
Oh shoot.
so
Yeah. Well, I know how to use Excel well enough that this other software I'm having a hard time with.
yeah, I think it's more beneficial to use Excel in business.
More
world.
people use Excel in the world, so
Yeah. But I'm gonna download this file for.
yeah, because we need the two files. So if I go into the textbook, you can download them from there.
Yeah, so if you go to the textbook and it has like all the lessons across the top, and then you go to the left where it says main page schedule data files.
Okay.
If you click on data files, and this on this homework quiz it says have the AM PM dash heights.
Okay.
So you go to data files, and then the very first one is AM PM dash heights, but it's an Excel file.
Oh my gosh. They don't tell you that. They want you to spend the $40 on that stupid software.
But
Good to know. I would rather do it in Excel.
So there it is.
Because I actually taken this stuff and put it into Excel to be able to do it.
All right. 15 on this quiz. But I'm struggling finding the Excel file that's like the master key one, you know?
Oh, like the one that you need, the quantitative inference procedures?
Yes.
Okay, so that was in lesson, what are we at? Lesson 12? That was in lesson 11 in the actual textbook. Not, does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. The
So if you
quantitative
go to the online book
inferential procedures.
and go to 11,
Unit 1, quantitative.
scroll, are you there?
Oh, I think I just got it.
Okay, Excel instructions right there, quantitative inferential procedures.
Oh, okay, I got it. That's what I've been looking for. Okay, we're good. We're good. Perfect. Okay, so a study has been done that people are taller than their first. Minus PM height. Okay, so paired sample t-test.
Okay. On number 3, I got 2.
That's what I got.
Okay. But see, question number 4, I don't know how to do that at all. Like I am totally at a loss.
I think you have to go use the T applet, T distribution applet.
Okay.
Okay, hang on. Probability.
Oh, I opened the homework quiz, not this quiz.
Oh crap! Just click off of it because it'll let you still go back in.
Yeah, okay, group meeting quiz.
Determine the
Here we go.
p-value.
I was like, where are the questions it's asking? Okay, chapter 12, data.
Okay. Determine p-value. So p.
So you open it in the T distribution, and what do you do with it?
So just like the z, it's the same as the z score. It's the same thing. Like, you know, if we want, so like this question, use this probability to determine the p-value. Okay, wait. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic. Oh my gosh. Greater than. So we want to shade the right side of 0.0403 on the
And we
on the
put that
thing.
0.0403 in what part? In the area?
In the T.
Okay. At the very top one? Oh,
The
sorry.
bottom.
No, sorry. Sorry about that. That was just really like a stupid dead blonde moment for a moment.
No,
there.
that's okay. It was still kind of. Degree of freedom is 8. Okay, wait. Why is this 3?
Okay, equals. Are y'all just solving in the paired sample t-test for means? For two samples?
That
For
was
number
number
4?
3.
Or number
For number 3, I believe.
Yeah, we just solved for
2.
T.
So the
And then you shade in which side? The left side?
I was shading the right side, but hang on one second. Because it was saying probability greater than 0.0403.
And y'all got 2 for the
Number
Yeah.
3.
number 3? Okay.
Why is that shaded?
Okay, mine is being weird. Mine is not giving me. Mine's giving me weird.
Yeah, it's weird. 0.04.
I put that in, and it just keeps going back to 0.0.
040. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the top, how there's, it says with 3 degrees of freedom.
Okay.
I think we have to change that to 8 because the N is 9. And remember, degree of freedom is N minus 1, which would give us 8. So I put 8 in there.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm just going with that area 0.4844
Okay.
as my P. Point.
Equals.
Okay. So
This one I'm totally lost on. That's
that's
just
okay. We will figure it out.
Okay. Determine the p-value. Did you get 0.695?
No, I got 0.484. But that's
so that's the area that should be in there. That's what I have is the 0.484.
so if you, Matt,
If I'm doing it correctly.
yeah, if you put for T 0.0403 and then shade the right side, and then at the top put in 8 degrees of freedom, the area should say 0.4844.
Oh wait, if I put for the t value 0.0403?
Yeah,
Oh, you're talking in the applet.
yeah, the T applet,
Okay.
the one they give us in the quiz there.
Okay. And then you have negative 3.472.
Nope.
Sorry.
Well, did you put 8 at the top?
Yes. Now I do. 8. And then we're shading the not
Shading to the right.
to the right. Okay. Wait, what happened? Oh, let me see where. I'm getting super lost in this one. Okay, test 0.0403 for the T 0.0403. And
I'll be right back.
to the right. And what is it you guys are getting for the area?
0.484.
Wait. Okay, I have 0.485. Oh wait, with degrees of freedom too. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Now I still have 0.486. 403. Wait, is it letting you do? Man, I'm struggling with this.
Okay, are we still on question 5? Sorry.
Yeah,
Question 4.
I'm just reading real quick in the book just to kind of double check the P.
For question 4.
Yeah, just to make sure doing
Okay.
it right.
Yeah, this is the one I sat and tried to figure out last night, and I could not for the life of me.
Yeah, we're doing it right
Okay.
according to this, the book.
Hey,
Okay.
I feel good about it.
Okay.
Now that you've walked me through it, now I'm like, okay, no, I get that now.
All right. So we need,
So for question 4, we're 0.484.
yeah, we'll go there. Paired sample
I mean, what's
t-test.
worse that can happen? We have it wrong.
Yeah. The test does group 1 minus group 2. Group 1 minus group 2. Okay, so we need to do our,
Yeah, this needs to be downloaded into.
okay. Okay.
Is it null hypothesis? U of t equals 0. Not equal to.
Wait, what? What is it asking for? What is the test? Test is group 1 minus group 2. Why am I pulling a huge brain fart here? Transform. There we go. What is it? Group 1 minus group 2? No, group. Too many boxes open.
Oh, I think it's
It's group 1.
in Excel. That differences thing is kind of crazy. But I think it's variable 1 minus variable 2.
Okay. All right. So I've got get the test statistic, 12A data, analyze.
Okay, for the test statistic, I have 0.407.
T. Hang on, almost there.
Okay, you're good.
So in Excel, did you put anything in there for the summary Wait, maybe I'm on the wrong one.
Perform a paired sample test. That wasn't in the.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Huh?
Paired sample t-test.
I know I didn't do paired sample. I did one sample.
Well, if in Excel you go into the data analysis, and there's the t-test paired to sample for me.
Did you get 0.407? You said.
Yeah.
Okay, I got that.
Okay.
Did you get that amount?
I did not.
You're going too fast.
So I'm in the paired sample t-test page in Excel.
Okay. I don't understand what you're saying by that.
So in that, like in the, I'm trying to think, like the key Excel page, there's like pieces across the bottom, and then there's a paired sample t-test.
Okay, well, what I did was I just put all of the numbers from the SPSS into my Excel. And then I just put in up at the top, if you're in data, and you hit data analysis, and you can go down to the T sample. So let me see if I can turn this.
Okay. Oh wait. So
You're the one the teacher gave you.
yeah,
Is that
I'm
what you're
going with
saying?
the one that the teacher gave.
Did that turn it to my? Okay, so I don't know if you can see this.
Oh wait, let me.
Okay, so then right here, I don't even know if you're seeing what I'm pointing at with my mouse.
Kinda.
Okay,
Oh,
so
there you go,
that's,
better.
you see that what I just highlighted?
Yeah.
Okay, I just put all that data into Excel
Okay.
and then ran here the t-test paired to sample means right there.
So under data.
So then I have to go up here to data analysis, come back down here, and then down here, I don't know if this helps you at all, but then there's this t-test paired to sample for means.
Okay, so wait, you went data and then analysis.
Uh-huh. And then you scroll down to the t-test paired to sample means.
Ooh.
Does that even help you? I'm so sorry.
I feel like I've said that I'm going to a tutor, but I'm actually gonna go to a tutor this week so I can like learn. So I don't
It's hard to
need-
learn stuff like this online.
It really is. And look, I mean, like I said, I've got my husband who I'm like, okay, listen, biostat tonight. You're going to sit with me for 7 hours.
Yeah,
Yeah.
7 hours.
So if you want to come to Idaho Falls, Matt, my husband will tutor you. He truly would. He loves this. And it makes him mad that I won't sit longer.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
That's hilarious.
Like, don't you think you should spend more time? And I'm like, I don't have the time.
Yeah, who's got the
You're
time?
like, yeah, it's not that important.
I'm okay. Thanks.
Yeah, I've just been trying to go off of the one that the teacher gave us, and it's just like,
Oh, of the Excel?
yeah.
Yeah. Well, okay, but you can't be using the one, you can't use the quantitative inference. That won't give you the right answers for this particular question.
Mm.
Is that the one you're using?
I'm using the paired sample t-test
Okay.
page.
Yeah, you can't use that. I couldn't get the answers for this particular question off of that.
I think you still have to do the one sample T, if that makes sense.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Not the paired sample.
I could send you my Excel from this one in an email, and you could that might be helpful. Do you want it? What if I send it to you?
That'd probably be helpful.
Okay.
And it doesn't help that I'm used to like Excel on my work computer, which is not a Mac.
Oh, you're using a Mac right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes more sense. Okay.
Yeah. So it's like I click data and then I click, it has like an analysis like tab.
Yeah, I can't use it on a Mac, so.
It's okay, I'll find it. I'll find it. Oh wait.
Okay, well, I'm going to send you this so you have it at least for the quiz, and I think it'll work for the next one, the next couple questions.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, give me your email really quick.
M is in Matt. M Farnsworth 318
Gmail?
at Gmail.
Okay, it popped up, so that's good.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh,
for
here it is.
question 6, I have 0689.
That's what I have.
Okay, I'm assuming you don't have anything yet, Matt?
I just opened your file.
Okay. Well, the one thing I like about Excel is you can go in and see how the math was done in it.
That's good.
Question 6, 0.0689. No,
0.689.
0.689. Okay. Now I'm looking at mine, and that one is not right.
Okay, I say it's failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
And I feel like this is one area that I struggle in. So
Well, because P is larger than the 0.10 level of significance. So when
Yeah.
it's larger, we fail to reject.
Yeah. Reject the null hypothesis if p-value is less than, but this is
Yeah.
greater than.
Yep. And then for 8, so if we're just going on like a greater than 0, then we divide the p-value by 2.
yeah,
And so we still just get 0.345, and that's still less than 0. So we have insufficient evidence that the mean of difference is greater than 0, right?
I put we have sufficient evidence that the mean is difference is equal to 0, but I think you're right.
But that's not, yeah, but that's not what we're
Yeah, you're
looking
right.
for.
Yeah, I say insufficient evidence.
It's like that roundabout talk that this
Yeah.
class is. It's ridiculous. Well, it's so lame. I mean, it is what it is, but
It is.
just gotta
7 more weeks and we are done.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You know what? I totally forgot to do that stupid thingy that free points mid-course evaluation. I'm so mad.
Oh, I emailed her about that, and she responded like 30 minutes later. And then my email I figured out is set up on a time that's like, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning in my email for the school.
Oh.
And I was like, so you gave me like an hour to do that on a holiday. So she opened it back up for me.
Oh, well,
that's
that's nice. I just have no excuse. I just saw 5/29 as the due date and thought it was 11 p.m.
Oh.
like everything else. Then I get the little text, 0 for this. I was like, what?
Oh, shoot.
Crap. I know. It's so stupid. Oh, well. All right.
Okay. Open it.
So for 9, the degrees of freedom is greater.
Yes, so it's n.
Oh, I'm sorry. N is greater because n minus 1 is the degree of freedom.
Mm-hmm.
I was backwards. Okay. Then the p-value is, where'd it go? B.
Chapter 12.
Whoops. Where is it? 0.001. Is that what you guys got?
That's what I have, yes.
Okay. Gotta put that in.
See if I can plug this in.
Oh man, I'm so tired of sitting on my butt in front of this computer. Oh my gosh.
He thought I was kidding.
Y'all got 0.001?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Is that what you got? Sure.
I'm trying to get.
Makes it
Figuring
even
out.
smaller.
Okay.
My husband said he tutored you for some Oreos.
Wow, that's easy.
I know, and he's really not even kidding about that,
Okay, come to California.
right? Oh, hey, welcome to California any day.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Really nice weather right now. All right, what number are we on? I've just been kind of working ahead.
11.
11.
Okay, so we're rejecting it this time, right? Because we're
We are
below.
rejecting it this time. I
Because
agree.
it's less. Yeah.
And then the next one, when you divide it by 2, the p-value is going to decrease.
That's what I have.
Right. Okay.
Yes, I agree.
Mm-hmm.
And we would still reject the null, number 13, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Pasting response. We have sufficient.
Okay, we have sufficient evidence that there is a mean difference between the two groups, but this is the area that I struggle in, so.
I agree on that.
Okay.
Because our
Yeah,
alternate,
I agree.
was not.
In layman's terms,
Ugh,
state the conclusion. We
the
have
p-value
seen.
depends on the alternate hypothesis. Gives the greater than
When-
0 gave the smallest p-value.
So it's the second one down greater than?
No, the fourth one down. UD greater than 0.
Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the, sorry.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Determine 95% confidence interval. Group 1 minus 2.
Between the two groups using group 1 minus group 2. Group 1 minus group 2, that's different. No. We're still
And
using
this one, I actually can use that. You can use a quantitative inference procedure on that Excel one. Should work for this.
Okay.
Did you get 11.955?
That's what I have. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
955.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the margin of error? Margin of error. I'm going blank.
Yeah, I am struggling with this one to do it correctly.
All right, so
Wait, margin of error on this one we do.
it's t times s over square root of n. So t is, where's t?
So we have
T is 3.737 times square root of 22. Where's the standard deviation? 15. Stupid. It's the same as the mean, 11.955.
Oh, I think that's why I'm not understanding it, because it
Yeah.
didn't make sense.
Yeah, because when I just did the calculation, it's the same thing.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Input the lower. What's the lower? B. Oops. Oops.
Okay, I have the lower bound is 5.303.
And
And then at the upper bound, I have 18.607.
yeah, me too.
Oh, we lost Matt.
Oh, shoot.
Hopefully he comes back.
Okay.
I'm submitting.
Okay.
Go on with it.
Okay, I'm still inputting here.
Okay, question 4 we got wrong. That's
4.
the one that I'm struggling with. Completely 100% struggling with.
Oh, the p-value. Yeah. Ugh.
And we got 15 is wrong.
15.
15. Yeah, dang it. 17 is wrong. And that's it. Everything else we got right.
We
So
clearly don't know.
this one kind of threw me for a loop this week. Not
Okay,
gonna lie.
which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value? Well, I don't understand why that's wrong. Because when we solved the p-value,
Oh my gosh, now it won't let me go back into the quiz to get my answers. Dang it. I shut the browser. That was a
no.
stupid move. I'm going to start. Do you still have yours up?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you tell me?
Wonder what that stupid p-value is. Makes me mad.
Yeah, I really do not have a clue. I am at a complete loss when it comes to that.
Okay, so let's solve for t. Where's...
I don't understand what you're saying. Oh. I can try.
Okay, so t.
Hello, Matt.
He's back.
Did you submit yours?
Laptop.
Uh-oh.
Are you with us? You're frozen.
I didn't know. 7?
You're still frozen. Oh, now I think you're back for good.
Back for good. I'm gonna hand solve for this.
Number 4.
Yeah, see if I can figure it out.
Okay.
So
Wait,
t
what'd y'all get on 19?
T is 2. 19? Where is it? 18.607.
Okay, sweet. That's what I got.
But we got 4, 15, and 17 wrong.
Yeah, but now I need you to give me the answers because I've clicked out of it. Now I'm like, crap, I have to go back and do it again.
Okay, tell me when you're in.
Number 3.
Is 2.000. Unless you just put 2 and we got it right.
I don't remember what I put. It was fine.
Okay.
Okay, 4 we were wrong on. 5.
0.407.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Okay.
0.407.
Yeah.
Correct? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, number 6.
0.689.
Okay, and then we failed to reject this one.
Yep.
And then we have insufficient evidence that the mean of the difference is greater than 0.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
9
N
is
on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 10.
0.001.
Okay, we reject the null hypothesis,
Yeah.
and that decreased, correct?
Mhm.
And then we failed to reject.
We reject. 13 we
reject.
reject. Yeah.
Okay, 11 we did what?
11 was reject the null.
Okay,
We reject them twice.
okay. And then 14 was,
We have sufficient evidence that there is a mean difference between the two groups.
correct, that's right. Okay, now it was 15 that we got wrong.
Yeah.
So,
As you see.
well, what do you have on 11,955? Is that right for 16?
Yeah, 11.955. Yeah.
Okay, so 17 we were wrong.
Yep.
And I have my Excel still up here for this one. So we have 5.303.
Mm-hmm.
And then 18.607.
I'm really baffled on this stuff.
On number 4, I was getting 0.486.
Okay. And what did we have on there?
I think we had 0.484.
Yeah.
All right. Well, what are we going to try it?
What number is
Feel good
that?
about it?
I can plug it in and try that. The one I'm not sure of right now is 17.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Mhm.
Margin of error. Margin of error.
17. So we were like,
Is it
oh, we got this one wrong.
S of D over the square root of N?
Well,
This one.
I thought it was T times SD over square root of N, but is it just SD over square root of N?
These two are the same.
Okay.
Maybe.
Sorry, what? Say that one.
That's where it's like, oh,
This one and this one?
Yeah.
So it's not that one.
my
So it should be
T.
this one then maybe? Or not enough information?
Oh, that's for A. Wait. B. Okay.
Okay. And then 17. I don't know how to do this.
Margin of
No. Do you?
So in the one of the things that shows up, I don't remember ever using this before. It shows the standard error mean 3.19867. I don't know if we should plug that in and try it as the margin of error. It's probably wrong. I just can't figure out how to figure this.
Wait, what was it? 3
Well,
point.
what formula are you using?
Well, I wasn't using a formula right there. I was just looking at what was in my SPSS after I did got the T and the 95% confidence interval. I don't think it's right.
Okay, just a second. I'm going back to lesson 10 and browsing really quick through the.
Because in lesson 10, it is margin of error.
It's calling me.
Oh, it's Z times that.
The sigma, standard deviation.
The sigma over the square root of N.
Well, it's the same thing for the sigma unknown. You're doing T times
T,
S,
yeah.
S over square root of N.
Okay, does that make sense? Oh,
What's our question?
Margin of error for this.
There should be a-
2 groups.
kind of-
22.
Question 18.
To where?
I'll scroll down to 18.
Okay.
What answer did you have?
What did we put in there before? Oh, we put in the 11.
Point.
Okay, are you willing to try 6.652
For which number?
for 17?
Tell me again.
6.652.
I'm submitting it.
What did you put for format?
I
Oh, you-
put,
Okay, I'm just not getting very good.
and it's wrong, 0.486.
Is
What's wrong?
Question 4.
It's like you lost your speaker.
Oh,
Was
yeah.
17 right?
17. And wait, we missed 14 no, we missed
15.
I think 15 U of D is less than 0 is right. And then 17 is right with 6.652.
Okay, so what did you do to get that? 6.652. Where'd she go? She's on mute.
Oh,
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, now, yeah.
Okay, I can't hear you.
You can't hear?
No. Like, I have to put it up to my ear to hear you. Okay,
Oh.
so,
How did you get
I'm
your
gonna have my
answer?
husband explain what he did on question
Okay.
17.
Okay.
Do I have to talk into this?
You have to talk into that.
Okay, can you hear me?
yeah.
All right, so you guys calculated on question 16 the point estimate, which is the center point, right? 11.955.
Yeah.
Then on question 18 and 19, you calculated the upper and the lower bound.
Uh-huh.
Well, the margin of error is the difference between the answer at 17. The answer at 16, which is 11.955,
Mm-hmm.
plus 6.52, or wait, was it 66?
Oh, I see where you got it.
6.652.
Wait. What?
Okay, so your 95% confidence interval.
Yeah.
Is the distance between two numbers, right? Your upper bound and your lower bound.
Okay.
And you got the lower bound is in question 18, that's 5.303. And the
Okay.
upper bound is in question 19, and that's 18.607.
Yeah.
The point estimate is the number between those two, which is question 16, which is 11.955. So the
Okay.
distance between 11.955 plus 6.652 is your answer for 19, and 11.995 minus the 6.652 is the lower bound, the question to 18.
So since we didn't know the 6.652, are we
I just
taking,
so you can either subtract the upper bound from the point estimate or the point estimate from the lower bound. Either way, it'll get you 6.652.
That makes sense.
Did that make sense to you guys?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
let me
made sense to me.
Okay. I don't know what the heck
oh
is going on
man.
with my phone.
Okay,
I cannot
so
hear you.
margin.
Okay, now what about question 4? Did we get that wrong again?
Yes,
Yeah.
we do.
Okay, what about question 15?
No. So 15, I put U of D does not equal 0, and I think it's U of D is less than 0.
Okay.
Okay, I'm kind of wondering if it's not enough information.
Okay, well, I can still submit it, and then I
Okay, you
haven't done
submit.
mine yet. So the only one is number 4 that we just don't have.
Yeah, and I literally cannot even.
Okay, let me submit. Okay, it's not enough information because we still got it wrong.
Okay. Okay, I'm submitting.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
I want the answers. I don't want to
Oh.
have to.
Right.
I don't have to write anything down or anything.
You know what I should have done is I usually try to keep it open if I do that so I can look, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I was an idiot and did not. So okay, number
hold
3
on.
is you tell me when you're ready.
Okay, almost there. Okay, number 3
Is 2.
Oh yeah, 0.000. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then we have on 4, 0.486.
And 5.
5 is 0.407.
Oh wait, what was 5?
0.407.
Okay, and 6.
Is 0.689.
0 in there. 7 was fail.
Fail.
Project.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even paying attention to what we're doing. And then we have insufficient evidence that the mean
Yep.
of differences is greater than 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Are we just
9.
throwing in the towel on number 4?
We're throwing in the towel. I'm done.
Unless you want to keep going, Matt.
Unless you know how to do it, Matt, we're all over it.
What's
Maybe
10?
Number 9 is
tomorrow,
N.
my tutor that I'm going to sign up for right now.
You sign up for a tutor.
Yeah.
Then you find out how to do it and let us know back.
Okay, what's 10?
So,
0.001.
001. 11 is
Is
reject.
reject the null.
Okay.
12 is
was
decrease.
Decrease.
13 is reject.
Okay.
14 is we have sufficient evidence that there is a mean difference between the two groups.
Okay.
15 is not enough information. I'm going with that.
Yeah, that's about it.
16 is 11.955.
still got a 95%, you guys.
Okay,
Yay.
awesome.
17.
17 is 6.652. And 18 is 5.303. And 19 is 18.607.
Okay. There we go.
Okay,
Oops.
only 4 is wrong.
Yep.
So I'll take it.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah. Okay. So
All right.
Thursday, should we do 9 o'clock again? Does that work?
Yeah, let me just double
Or
check.
no, what did we were, I don't remember what we have been doing.
I think we've been doing Thursday at 9.
Oh,
9's
okay.
good for me.
Does that work for you, Matt?
Yeah.
Okay. See you Thursday at 9.
Okay.
All right, sounds
See you
good.
guys.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
All right, bye.